Hey there, fiber friends. Sara from Flourishing Fibers here. Today, we're diving into how to get your favorite Flourishing Fibers paper embroidery pattern onto your paper of choice. We've got two great ways to do this, and each one has its perfect moment. Option 1, print directly to paper. This is your go-to if 1, you're using lightly colored paper, 2, your printer can handle thick or specialty paper without a fuss. It's the fastest way to get started. Once your pattern is printed, you could just start piercing. If you're worried about keeping your papers pristine, you could always use a simple paper napkin to protect it while you work. A big bonus with this option, your pattern lines are right there printed on your paper. This makes the embroidery much easier, saving your eyes from trying to connect all those dots. Once the pattern is pierced, just trim away the excess and start stitching. It's that simple with this option. Option 2, transferring your pattern. This method is super helpful if you're using darker paper where a direct print won't show, your printer isn't a fan of thick or specialty papers, you can only print on basic copy paper. For this option, you'll print your pattern onto a regular piece of copy paper first, then lay that printed copy paper over the paper you'll use for your project and start piercing through both layers. A quick tip on printers. If you have a laser printer and a dark paper, you might see the print because laser toners tend to have a bit of a shine. Give it a try. If you're using an inkjet, it's still worth testing. You might get enough contrast for it to work. You might be wondering about taping the papers together for this option. I rarely use tape myself. When I'm piercing, if I need to adjust my position, I just rotate the paper and the foam together. The same goes for trimming. It keeps everything aligned without needing to constantly handle the paper. But hey, if your papers do shift a bit, no worries. As you pierce, tiny burrs form on the back of your papers. These little bumps actually help you realign your papers perfectly, so don't think your project is ruined if they separate. You can always get them back into place. The last step for option 2 before you start stitching is to lightly transfer some of the line elements. This is especially helpful if you find all the pierced holes a bit overwhelming. Just take a pencil and lightly connect the dots for the main shapes or any confusing sections. These lines are just guides. They'll be completely covered by your threads, so no need to erase them. They're subtle, but they make a big difference. And there you have it, the same beautiful zigzag pattern transferred into two different ways, giving you the same fantastic result. You can find links to this pattern and all the tools I'm using in the description below. Each method really does serve its purpose. While I use both, I'll admit option 1 is my favorite. Fewer steps means I get to the fun part of embroidering even faster. I hope this tutorial helps you get started on your next paper embroidery project with confidence. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips and patterns from Flourishing Fibers. Your support truly means the world to me. Keep on stitching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.